Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your laptop like new again using a full reset without deleting your data. And this is going to be one quick and easy way to make your computer like new again. So what you want to do is start by going into the Windows icon here so you can open up a settings. So let's go ahead and open up settings. Now, once you have opened up settings here, we're going to go to the system menu here and then scroll down a little bit further here. And then we're going to look for the under recovery. We're going to go ahead and click on recovery. And once you click on recovery, we're going to go to this option where we have recovery option, which just says reset this PC. So we're going to click on reset. So let's wait for a reset. Now, when it comes to resetting, there's two types of reset. One is you keep your files, right? And it removes apps and settings, but keeps your personal files. So this is the setting I'm talking about. You don't want to do this one, which will delete everything, your personal files, apps, and settings. So you're going to keep your files, right? So what this will do is allow the laptop to essentially reinstall the OS and then sort of make it like new, like when you originally actually set it up. So here you can select either cloud download and local reinstall. Either of them work. I'll select local. And then it's going to restore apps and settings, which came with this PC, and reinstall Windows. So we're going to hit next here. You may get a prompt that you need to connect your computer to power. So go ahead and connect it to power here. I'm going to go back here to connect it to power. I'm charging. So I'm going to hit next. And then it's going to get things ready for us. Finally, you'll get this final screen, which will be telling you exactly what's going to happen. Now, this will take a while and your PC will restart a few times. So keep that in mind. So if you are doing this, so give yourself enough time to do it. And once you're ready, just hit that reset and it'll begin that process, which will basically change the settings back to their default. It'll keep your personal files, reinstall the Windows, and remove all apps and programs that didn't come with the PC. So you can see that app view as well. And you can reinstall those apps later on. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. So see you guys next time.